Good morning, everybody. Good morning, grade 3. This is Mr. Islam, math teacher from Saudi Private School. And today we are complete the chapter 10. And I hope you are good. Today we are talking about equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. And you studied how can you write a fraction and write a part of a whole or a part of a set. And today we'll take equivalent. Equivalent that's equal, from equal. So equivalent fraction. Okay, please, my fabulous student, open page 601. And attention to me, please. Good. Before we start, we have here 2 pieces of pizza or 2 pieces of chocolate like circle, 2 pieces of bread, anything. Okay, so the first piece here divided into 2 equal parts. And if you consider this is one piece of pizza, so and you've eaten 1 piece, so you will eat 1. Who can read the fraction? This is 1 from 2, part of a whole. Yes, so this 1 part, so I will write 1 over, and how many pieces in all? Yes, it's 2. Good. So who can read this fraction? 1 over 2, or 1 out of 2, or 1/2. Excellent, grade 3. And here is the same piece of pizza. I divide it into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. And if you eat 2 pieces or 2 quarters, first I will write the fraction. 2 pieces from 4 pieces. Okay. So now, how many pieces you've eaten? It's 2. And how many pieces in all? It's 4. So who can read this fraction? It's 2 out of 4. Or you can say 2 quarters. Excellent, grade 3. And if I take this, if I cut from here and put here this red one, and this, and put it here, let's cover it. Good. What does that mean? Oh, 1/2 equal 2 quarters? Yes or no? As you can see here, 1/2 equal 2 quarters? Yes or no? Yes, Mr. Islam. Does that mean 1/2 equal 2 quarters? Yes. So they are equivalent. So 1 out of 2 or 1/2 equals 2 quarters. That means equivalent fraction. Again, 1 over 2 equals 2 over 4. That means equivalent fraction. Don't forget. Excellent. Okay, let's go back to my book, page 601, as I said. And 601 say, example number 1, say, Noha has 1/2 of a fruit pizza. As you can see here. How could Noha cut the pizza into smaller equal size pieces and still have half? Here, as you can see, the model, it's 1 piece pizza and divided into 2 equal parts. So this is half, left and right here, half. And if you divide half into 2 equal parts, and here into 2 equal parts, that's how many pieces here? 4. So each piece or unit fraction is 1 quarter. 1 quarter, 1 quarter, and 1 quarter. So half equal 2 quarters. 1 and 1. 2 quarters. Yes. And here, if you divide each quarter into 4 equal parts, or into 2 equal parts, so this quarter I divide into 2 and here 2. So you have 4/8 in 2 quarters. And each quarter consists of 1/8. So again, one half equal 2 quarters equals 4/8. Again, 1 half equal 2 quarters equal 4/8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here 2 quarters and here 1 half. So how many quarter times are there here? How many quarters? Count with me. 1, 2. 2 quarters. So 1 over 2 and 2 over 4. Here, as you can see, 1 half and 2 quarters, they are equivalent. Again, as you can see here, 1 half equal 2 quarters. That is equivalent. They represent the same part of one whole. Good. And down here, how many 8 tiles are there? How many 8 here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, 8. Good. So here is 2 quarters and here is 4/8. So 1 out of 2 and 2 out of 4 and 4 over 8. They are equivalent. Fractions. Good. Grade 3. Excellent. Good. Example number 2. One's bookshelves has 3 shelves. So this man has 3 shelves. Only one of the shelves has books. Only one shelf has books. And one says third of the shelves have books. Yes, because 1 from 3. 1 from 3 shelves has books. And his mom say 2 over 6 of the shelves have a book. Are they both correct or no? Let's see. One shelf here, as you can see, divided into 3 parts. Okay? 1 divided into 3 parts. So this is 1/3. And each 1/3 divided into 2 equal parts. So I divide into 2 equal parts, and here 2 equal parts, and here 2 equal parts. So how many parts here? It's a 6. So each unit fraction is 1 over 6, or you can say 6. So how many 6 here? It's 6. Good. And compare between 1/3 and 6. So here 1 says 1/3 of the shelves have books, and his mom say 2 out of 6. The same or no? If you look at here, the same part, yes. 1/3 as 1 said, and 2/6 as his mom said. Good. So correct, yes or no? Yes, the same, because they are equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. You can use number line to recognize are the fraction equivalent or no. Good. So here from 0 to 1, I divide it into 3 equal parts. 1 part 2, 3 parts. So 0 out of 3, it's 0, and 1 out of 3, 2 out of 3, and 3 out of 3, it's 1, as you can see here. It's 1. 3 out of 3. Any number by itself, it's 1. Good. And the same number line, I divided into 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 parts. 0 over 6, 1 over 6, 2 over 6, 3 over 6, and 4 over 6, 5 over 6, 6 over 6, it's equal 1. If you look at here, this location of this point, the same here. So 1/3 equal to 6. Good. They are both correct because 1 over 3 equal 2 over 6. So they are, you can tell me, they are what? Yes, equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. It's a very important word. Good. They say complete the number sentence with an equivalent fraction. Here 1/2, yes, 1/2. 1/2. And here how many quarters? I divided the half into equal parts. So we have 4 parts. 1 over 4, 1 over 4, or you can say 4/4. So 1 over 4 equals how many quarters here? Who can tell me? Yes, excellent, great. It's 2. 2 out of 4. Yeah, next page 603. Complete each number sentence. Yeah, by yourself. 1/2. Yes, it's a half. And here, how many half equals 6? Yeah, 1 minute for you, please. Hurry up. Good. Count with me. 1, 2, 3.